Sen hadi.
Busy road.
Where we go?
Aston Martin.
Mayfair,
Again, I'm making the mistake being in a sweater. Soon I'll have to put my jacket on. It's cold. Today is -1, I think tomorrow -3. Hope you are all well, ladies and gents. Let's check out beautiful Mayfair. Today's Thursday, end of November. Sun is going down, so you can't really appreciate the lights as much yet. But the time will come soon, don't worry. I think that's Aston Martin for my little friend in America. He loves them so much. It's been a while since I found one, since I haven't been to Mayfair a lot recently. I'm wearing a black sweater every time I go film so that I don't have a reflection in the shopping windows. So I do that on purpose, but when I go out I always wear white stuff when I'm not filming. I remember filming bus rides during pandemic a long time ago, 2-3 years ago, and my white sweater was constantly reflecting from the glass of the bus. You know, I was upstairs on the first chairs. So I've learned, and since then I'm all black, looking like a ghost. Like a black ghost. That's a beautiful shopping window here. They all are. I love coming here, honestly. It feels like you are in a different world. Everything is so clean and organized and just perfect. When you live in the suburbs, you know, this is complete contrast to when you are somewhere like Whitechapel or somewhere around there. Yesterday I was filming in East Ham, so coming here right now today, it feels like I'm on a holiday somewhere posh, you know. London is looking beautiful during Christmas. If you are coming to London for a visit during Christmas time, let me know. Write me a comment, okay? I hope you have the best time ever. And let's go back through here. Let me sing happy birthday here in this enclosed environment for Cheryl, whose birthday it is on Saturday. Just because outside is so noisy. Let me try. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cheryl. Happy birthday to you. Yay! I know I promised members of the public, but today I've got only an hour to film, I'm afraid, my darling. And we are in Mayfair, so it's unlikely somebody would be up for it in this area. Everybody is busy being posh. Look at that. Wow, it's so busy here. It's not Black Friday. I'm not sure what's happening, but oh, it's before Christmas. That would explain a lot. It's before Christmas. Christmas presents, I forgot. So busy, guys. Look at that. Oh, this is a fabulous angle.
Exactly.
Oh, is that a queue? Oh my gosh, it's a queue. Oh my gosh. Sorry guys, I'm quite surprised. Ralph Lauren has quite a long queue today. I'm not sure what's going on. If they have some sales or something. Don't worry, I'll turn around in a minute to show you. I'm just going with the flow for now. I'm gonna spend a little while here. Whoa, look, I'm sorry. Look at that Bentley on the other side. And look at that